Today I am photographing sunset while traveling to Bali using my smallest telephoto zoom lens in a crowded beach with plenty of people. Will I get some good photographs or will I fail? Find out more in this video. Not only will you see the pictures, but in this video you will also be able to learn from me how I compose my shots, how I set up my camera and lens, and you will see all my thought process from POV perspective.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Gary Wuriawan and welcome to Jimbaran here in Bali, Indonesia. I'm having a quick dinner here with my wife. We're gonna eat some food. But anyway, I wanna try to capture some beautiful sunset photography here in Jimbaran. So yeah, this is part of my travel vlog and also my everyday photography vlog. You can check out the other vlogs right there. But basically, I want to try to capture just the sunset with some silhouettes or maybe some boats, some point of interest to make it look interesting. In terms of gear, I'm using the Panasonic GX850 together with the Panasonic Lumix 35 to 100mm little telephoto lens. So in this video, you will see how I go behind the scenes in terms of trying to capture some nice photographs of the sunset, the camera settings, all that kind of stuff, the focal lengths, how I come up with the composition. Now let's try to shoot some pictures. Alright, so we're going to try to capture the sunset. We have some nice point of interest right there. There are some people and then also some boats on the ocean. I want to try to capture that with this beautiful sunset sky. So I'm using the 35 to 100mm together with the GX850. I'm setting everything to aperture priority f5.6. Now I'm going to try 100mm. Let's try to capture the image. Nice. I'm going to wait until, you know, some people pass by or use fewer people on the frame, something like this, like a street photography kind of thing. I think it looks kind of nice. All right, 3 people. Let's walk a little bit to the right. Try to capture it from some different angles. Now we don't have any person on the frame. We just have one boat. I think that's minimalist and good enough. Let's try. Nice. Let's try to capture it horizontally, f5.6 100mm. Nice. We have a person right there. Let's try to capture with the person, maybe. All right, beautiful. Continuing where we left off, like we have that person right there and the boat. We have another person coming by. Right, 2 people. All right, let's shift a little bit to the left. I want the sky to be centered. Zoom out a little bit to 80mm, 70mm ish. Let's try horizontal again. Plenty of people. Maybe something like this. Oh, this looks cool. Right. Alright, continuing where we left off, we have a couple of people right there on the frame. I'm going to try to capture it together. Alright, capture them together with the boat, another person on the frame, and with the sunset. Beautiful. Let's go a little bit closer. Hopefully we can isolate just those 2 people. Alright, nice. Let's try to isolate just the boat from here. It's quite crowded and quite a busy night. This is weekend, so yeah, it's going to be busy, but I don't mind. Let's walk around just a little bit, trying to find the best spot. Have to be careful. Right, maybe here. I think looks fine. Oh, cool. Yeah, we got the boat right in the middle. Some person walking. Let's shift a little bit to the left. Right, we have 3 people on the frame. That looks really good. Awesome. Awesome. Yep. Like it so much. Yep. And I captured the moment. The people with the boat and the sunset. There's another group of people from the left. Looks good. Alright. Looks okay. So the sun is almost setting completely. It's going to be covered by clouds, so I want to try to isolate just the sun with one of the boat. Gonna find the best spot to do just that. Maybe we're gonna still include people on the frame. No choice, but yeah, let's try. Nice. All right. Not too many people on the frame. I like it because otherwise it will be cluttered. Nice. Right now we have an opportunity to capture the sun without people. Nice. All right, finally got it. Beautiful. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all for today's vlog. Hopefully this has been interesting, inspiring, and entertaining. Please let me know on the comment down below which one is your favorite picture. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.